In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide your Shopify store. Whether you're working on updates or just need a breather, there are times when temporarily hiding your store from the public eye is necessary. Not to worry, I'll guide you through this process step by step so you can do it seamlessly and confidently. To start, you'll need to log in to your Shopify account. Once you're logged in, find and click on the online store in the left-hand sidebar of your Shopify dashboard. This is your starting point for reaching the back-end settings for your store's appearance and functionality. Next, you'll want to navigate to Preferences. Clicking Preferences will open a new page with various options relating to your store's visibility in the e-commerce environment. Here, look for the option labeled Password Protection. Password protection allows you to restrict access to your site by requiring a password for anyone attempting to visit it. Essentially, anyone who doesn't have the password will be greeted with a page that says the store is closed for maintenance or similar messaging of your choosing. Now, let's enable password protection by checking the box that activates it. Once you do that, you'll need to type in a message that visitors will see. This message should be friendly and informative, letting your customers know why the store is temporarily unavailable and, if possible, providing them with an estimated time for when they can return. The next step is crucial: setting up a strong password. It's important to choose a password that's difficult for others to guess, yet simple enough for you to remember. Try to avoid common words or easily guessed number sequences to maintain the security of your store while it's hidden. Once you've selected a strong password, make sure to save any changes you've made by clicking on the Save button at the top or bottom of the page. This ensures that all your settings are applied and your store is now hidden from public access. It's also a good idea to test it out in a different browser or an incognito window to ensure the password page is working as expected. This way, you know what your customers will see when they try to visit your store, and you'll be aware if there are any discrepancies. In addition to these steps, you might want to go through all the details once more to ensure no stone is left unturned. If you plan to keep your store hidden for a while, consider communicating with your customers through social media or email newsletters to keep them informed. So there you have it. Hiding your Shopify store is straightforward once you know where to go. By following these steps, you can make sure your store remains accessible only to those you want, while you make improvements or take a break. Thanks for tuning in, and happy updating!